I gave you my hand and you told me that you'd never let it go. So I said, you're the one I want to make a home with, and maybe one day I'll bear your children, and maybe we'll have a son and daughter, and we'll name them after kissing you. You gave me your word and said you loved me, and that you'd never let me go. So I said, if we find that the world ends tomorrow, I would be content knowing that your lips were the last that I touched with